Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing in chess. First, always understand the fundamental value of each piece. A queen is worth 9 points, a rook 5, and a bishop or knight 3. Next, focus on controlling the central 4 squares with your pawns and pieces. Developing your knights and bishops early is crucial, aiming to get them into active positions. Finally, prioritize king safety by castling, ideally within the first 8 to 10 moves, to connect your rooks and protect your king. When starting a game, remember to develop your pieces efficiently. Avoid moving the same piece more than once in the opening phase, as this wastes valuable time. It's also wise to keep your queen safely tucked away until more pieces are developed, preventing early attacks. Generally, develop your knights before your bishops, as knights have fewer squares to choose from. After castling, aim to connect your rooks, creating a strong defensive and offensive structure. In the mid-game, constantly search for tactical chances such as forks, pins, and skewers that can win material. Before making any move, always double-check for any immediate threats your opponent might pose to your pieces or king. If you find yourself with a material advantage, try to simplify the position by trading pieces, especially queens, to make your advantage more decisive. Finally, mastering fundamental king and pawn endgames is essential for converting wins. To truly improve, consistent practice is key. Play regularly against opponents who are at or slightly above your current skill level to challenge yourself. After each game, especially your losses, take time to analyze what went wrong and what could have been done better. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to solving chess puzzles. This significantly sharpens your tactical awareness. Additionally, studying games played by grandmasters can provide deep insights into strategic concepts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.